Okay, I started my recording. So what is going to happen? You know, using this code, what I have done, using that previous code, what we have found, we found the all indexing, and it was saying like which is the index having the more fragmentation, right? You have checked this. We have already figured out which is indexing having the more fragmentation. And then what we are going to do, we are writing one. This is the same only. So what is this? Verb post preferences continue, right? It is not going to display the result, right? It is going to continue. You already know about the verb post preferences. Last to last class I have explained, right? Are you remember this or you forget? Verb post preferences. Remember, no?
I remember it, Rajesh, yeah.
I think Sandeep, you are not there. Venkat, you are not there. Sandeep, I think Sandeep was there when verbose preferences I was explaining. Anyhow,
Where both
so
and what is the warning preference, something will be
yes,
there.
yes, warning preferences, verbose preferences, many things I have explained, which is the inbuilt parameter. So this is just I am writing the continue. I am just declaring the database, and I have given the person. I have given here this one. So what I am going to do, I have writing again the logic. What logic I am going to write? I am writing if the fragmentation is 10 to 30%, means 10 to 30%, what I am going to do, and it is checking one more thing. If the pages is greater than 1000, what is the meaning of the page? You know that SQL server having the 8 KB of page and 8 into 8 64 KB of extent. So it having the more than 1000 page, then only I am telling to check this, because if the less than 1000 page is there, it means the table size itself is very small. If the table size is only small, what is the index? There is no need of checking the index also. It is not, if the small table means directly it will check that all, it will filter the all data. You will select the data very easily. So because this everything will come into the indexing part. So if I'm going to teach you the performance tuning class, that time maybe I will explaining into the more detail how the index is happening, how it is fetching the data and all. So here it is just 1000. If I am filtering, if it is the more than 1000 page, then only you go and check what is the index fragmentation. Means you check what is the fragmentation. If its fragmentation is coming between the 10 or 30, means it is greater than 30, less than 30, greater than 10, less than 30, means if the fragmentation is 30, I am going and I am doing the reorganization. Or otherwise, if it is more than 30, I am going to rebuild the index and just writing the all detail. I will just run this. So what is going to happen? So if you want, I will go and I will just delete this much also. So it will go and will do for the all table. It will not do just a specific table. I've run this. So it is went there. It is rebuilding. It is doing reorg. It is doing. It will be do and it will finish the result. Getting? Oh, sorry. So this is the one thing you can go and you can build the result and you can check this. So backup is done. This is done. So I am going to show some more thing how you can create the job using the SQL server. Some of the time, what is going to be happen? You have to write one PowerShell programming. In the PowerShell only programming, you write, if I will run this job, so this job will only create the SQL job. Getting or not? If I will run this file, it will generate, like just example, guys. If you have created this report, right? If you have creating this report, right? And you, after that, what you have to, once your script is ready, what you are going to do? You are going to schedule this using SQL job, just example, right? So you will right click. So what you are, what I want, and after that it is generating the report somewhere into this, right? So what I am going to do, I'm going to teach you, means in this script only you go and you can write the logic to, once you are running this script is has to be create this one job. Inside that job, it's having the logic to create the backup report, right? So what you have to do, just you run this PowerShell script, and after that the job will created. Right click on that, execute that. Once you will execute the job, it has to generate the reporting, the backup report file. If this job is going to fail, it has to send the notification in your email address or your team email address, something detail. right? So all logic you want to write into one PowerShell program, then you have to understood how to write the code to create the SQL job, right? So that one I am going to explain you here. So here what I am going to do in this, I am just test job, I will delete. So here what happened, I have just imported the model, I have declared my server name, I am just passing that SMO the server, I am passing my server name here. After that I'm declare one variable, I am passing the server, means it is passing the server detail, and I have given the job server. I have declared one variable, inside the variable I give the test job. So this is just for this job it is going to create. And after that I will just do this one. I am writing job.start, and it is okay. I think it is not creation of the job, it is starting the job. Leave it, this one, it is executing the job. I have to go to this one. Okay, this script I have to explain. I taken the wrong script. I'm writing here that that script was how to run the job. If you want, like, a script has to be created and you want to run the job also using the PowerShell only, that's why it was there. So what I am doing here, I am just importing the model. After that I am taking one variable, I am saving the server name, I am creating new model, and this I am saving into this variable. Job name, just I have created, given the test job, means which job you want to create. It is, I have given the if else statement. In the if, what is happening, it is just checking that job. If the job is there, then what it will do, it will go and it will drop the job, means it will delete the job, it will create again new job. After that I have taken one variable, inside that I am passing this SMO. What is the SMO dot agent dot job, right? And in the argument I have passed the server job and your job name, so for the creation of this. So this one I have given, if you want to create the operator and all, for creating the operator, first database mail and all has to be configured, otherwise it will not work. For me DB mail is not working, so maybe this part will not work. After that, it is the email label of this there. Email label means what, when it is going to be notified on failure, or it will be many things, never, on success, on failure, always. So it is up to you, whatever you are going. I am giving the on failure. So what is going, if this job will fail, then only it is going to notify. For this it is declared like this. So after, whenever writing this job dot create, so what it will do, that job will be created by the PowerShell for this server, right? So this is the only thing which one you will understood, right? So again, that next thing is there. I want, here is the some parameter which one I am deciding, right? So like you can see here, here means if you are writing C SQL, means SQL job, you can give this also. Or otherwise, if you don't want to write get content, means if you want, like if I have to import this PowerShell file to there, I have last class I have already explained you in this function. You can see here some HTML PowerShell, it is not there. I think here I have how to run the PowerShell. You know, the some PowerShell file PS1, and you want in this way it has to be created inside the job, right? So that time you will give the all logic, and this line you will paste here. Or otherwise you want, it should be better, what I will do, I will just writing here select star from T1, select star from T1, just anything you will add. And you have to remove it, because if you are writing the file, means then only get content. So it will be read from file, whatever thing you will give, that it is going to be imported here. Or if you want to write in this fashion also, then all that is also it is possible. So I'm just writing for your simple, I have made this simple, like select star from T1, on successful action, quite success, on failure. These are the some parameter which one you are going to declare, and you will write job dot step to create. If I'm going to execute this, you will see that job has been created for this server. Now test job is not there. I will just refresh this. You will see it is test job is created. If I will go and if I will open this job, you will able to see that inside that select star from T1, which logic I have given, that logic it is here. Not only that, there is few parameter which one I have selected. Schedule I have not selected, the schedule is not coming. Notification, you will see it is written to write to the Windows application log, and we have given the when the job fails, it will be go and it will write to the Windows event log. If you want for the operator notification, then operator and all you have to create. If you are not going to create, means it is not going to work. For me it is not there, that's why it is not working. So you will able to do in this way also. So there is one more thing you want, if you want to add in this script, like once I will create the job, it has to run the job also. So this is the script where it will be go, it will be start, it will execute the script also. So how we are going to do, we will just declare that server name, we will declare one SMOs, and then after that I am just pasting here, which is that job I want to execute. I will give, I will pass the parameter in this value like this, server, then job dot server, and this job dot start I will give. Then after that start sleep hyphen s, you already know this, everything I have already explained. It is just for, it will wait for 1 second, it will be refresh the job. So if I'm going to execute this, it is going to give me the result 5 November 258, because it is going to display that one, this job has been executed. Of course this job will failed only, it will not become successful because I have not written this one. So this job is failed. If I will execute this, so one more time the job will execute. So you can see that two time it's a failed. So like this you will able to run the job, right? No need, no, you understood this fragmentation, you understood job, you understood owner thing. What is this owner? Maybe this is finding that job owner information, that is, it is here. I don't know what is this. Then also I think job owner, I told like all job has to be there. I think that is for that only it is creating the report. I don't know what is that. Just I will see whether this is working or not. If it is working, which one I have created the report, I think this is for that only. I have given here, it should be better. I will give this report name here. I will not give the details. I will give the, I don't know what is this, but actually first I have to run this. It is what it is doing. It is taking the owner and parents. So just we will see what is the report has been generated. Job detail. If I will go here, it is going to display which are the owner of the job. Right. This is also very important for you. This, okay, this is a database owner. It is just checking the database owner, right? Which one I have already explained you in this report. I have already built that kind of thing. So this is the script where how you can pass that parameter. I will show you that also. So some of the time you have to use the PowerShell, some of the time you have to add that SQL. So why I'm going to teach you many time what is going to happen, maybe using PowerShell programming you will not able to write that report full PowerShell. So because in the SQL you will see the TSQL code is available. Some of the time what you have to do, you have to take the TSQL code also, because in Google if you will search many TSQL code you will get easily for the, so you can take that and you can mix that, how I have shown you, like how you will mix that HTML with the PowerShell, like that you can mix that TSQL with the PowerShell. Later classes I am going to teach you that all. So you can see here for some of the report I'm going to explain you, I have just used the TSQL concept in the PowerShell. These all are the TSQL command. So it's the very easy, means your work I told you, so you have to finish the work, that one I told you. So you can do that kind of work very easily. So job owner and all, leave it. So what is this? I don't know. Owner I have explained. What is this schema? I think I have already explained you. Scheduling the job, it is just pending. So this is also very simple, because this all are the not that much important. If you want, you can add this logic into the same script, where what you have to do, where you want to add the schedule for this. So which job I have created, I have not added any schedule into this. So it's look like very tough script, but it is very simple. This one, just you are going to declare the server name, you are passing the parameter as a server name, you are just deciding which is the job name you are going to create the schedule. Hash means this will not do anything. You will write the schedule, thus frequency type. So you will give the weekly, means weekly. If you want to schedule something job and you have given the weekend, right? So it will be take into the weekends. So after that, what you have given, you can start time, you have given here 22 and 0. This is the date, time, minute and second, right? You can add here what is the frequency factor of this job, what is the when the job is going to be start. I have given the 2015. You can give any date, and you can give the schedule dot create. What it will do, it will go here and it will create the schedule for this job. So if you will double click on that, you can go. Now the schedule is created every weekend night 10, because I have given the weekend, right? Weekend means these 2 days I have given the weekly to this job. This job has to run weekly, right? So that's why I have given here weekly this also. So that's why it is pick up this as a weekly. This 2 is the weekend, so I have given the weekend. That's why it is taking a Saturday Sunday. I have given the 22 means it is going to take in the night time, right? 22 it is occurs, so that's why it is taken here 22. So date and or frequency in the every time, and the start date I have given 15, so it is given here. So like this you will able to create that schedule. If you want one more time, what it will do, if you will run this, so this time what will happen, two schedule is going to be created here. So it is up to you. You know that there will be multiple schedule you will able to create, right? So like this you will able to build that. So that also, so I have explained you 3-4 script for that job. So 3-4 script has to be added into a single script, right? Select db property. These things is already you are aware of this. I think why I have written, I don't know, but if it is there, I will run and we will see what is that property. It is going to display or get content and all is there. Leave it, otherwise simply it is, you already know it is the name owner and it is going to be display for the multiple of serverless will take from here. So what are the server I am going to put? It is going to take the all detail and it is going to create the report. I hope you enjoyed the today class. Sandeep, Ashwin, Venkat, who has joined this class.
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So
Right.
yeah, so you can build this time also. You learn something new. So now it is one class is pending for you guys, that is for the day 15 class, and I will complete the day 15 class. So here maybe I am going with the sanity check and all, how to build that report and all. Some of the report is there already with me. There is a mini report I have created. You can see the health check of report. So you can go with the report. So you can see the mini report, it is there. I have created. So mini report I have created for
Where all these reports available?
what?
Where does all these reports available, sir?
Report means where you will give the path. In that path, it will go and will generate that report.
PowerShell script A14.
I didn't understood. Tell me again. Your voice is breaking.
From which script? From which script this was generated?
That one I will. This all script is generating from this script. PowerShell health check report. Maybe you will not understood this. Everything I have added into the single line. In the single script I have added all. So you will, if you will see the report, so each and everything I have explained you the part wise, right? Log backup, this all. So I am just adding this all detail into the one part. So later I am going to show you this script. Then day 15 I have some sanity check of script. So this script also I am going to explain you using TS. Some of the script I will show you using PowerShell script only to generate. Some of the thing I will show you how to be mixed with the, because what will be happen, some of the time you are writing, first you have to get the data. Maybe that you will not get the all detail using PowerShell. That time you require TSQL code also. So sometime you will use the TSQL, sometime you will use the PowerShell. So later classes I am going to show you something. I will going to explain about the mirroring, how to automate the mirroring. And some of the time I'm going to explain you about cleanup PowerShell, how I have written this script. So maybe I am not going to explain you this time the all script, but I am going to show you how you can implement, right? I told you enhancement is the from the your side. So this is the last class, Sandeep. So maybe I will not take the class day 15 class tomorrow, or it will take for 7 days also. after 7 days. Once you are okay with this all whatever thing I have explained you, after that only I am going to give you the last class, then only it is useful, otherwise it is not useful. Simply coming, taking a script, watching video, it will not help. So first whatever it is, the 1 2 day 14 class, and your health and HTML for the 4 day class. So total 19 class, which one I have explained you, 19 no, 18 model. 18 model is taken, not 18 days, it will be went maybe 25 days also. So this all you go do the revise. Once you are okay, ping me, I will take the day 15 class, and then I will explain you the all detail. So tell me, what is the feedback, when Sandeep, first from your side, how was my class? Every when I will finish the class, I will take the feedback. But here many people has joined, they have paid also, but because I'm giving a script and video, two people is not joined because they told no, time is not there, I will watch your video, right? But you both has joined, so you have learned more. So always I will request who is joining, continue the class. So Sandeep, tell me, how was your feedback, where you want me to change anything in the class? I charge just 5,600 rupees from you, so it is enough, it is good or not, it's worth or not, or you are thinking I have cheated you, something you can tell, because this is the last class. So
Good from this class, like uh, from the means we analyze means from this class we taking more means how the PowerShell working and how they create the report like and how they troubleshoot the PowerShell issues.
okay,
Likewise, we understand here and in my organization means they use the PowerShell, but I don't know the how that work means PowerShell. We
okay,
only set the input file, like give the input and run the PowerShell, but we don't know the how that PowerShell work. So
okay.
now I understand each and every line means what
So in
they
office
use.
also, once you are opening that PowerShell file, you are understanding, right? Not
Yes,
100%,
yes,
but
sir.
50% I can, 100% I can secure. 50% you are understanding what is written.
Yes, sir.
Some of the
From my
logic you have to ask from senior only.
yeah, from the first line means they declare the variable, but we
Mhm.
don't know why they declare. Now
Uh,
we are understanding. Firstly, they
Understanding
why they
means some
declare.
of the thing they will write as per requirement. So you have to ask this, why you have declared this. There is no use
Right.
of. So that one will be, you will understood who is already writing it, because you are how you are writing, that is your fashion. You will write in your own fashion. They will write their own fashion, right?
Right, sir.
So you are happy, and you can say whatever I have charged for you, it is enough. Whatever I have teach you, right?
Yes, sir. From
Right.
our side, only need practice. Means when
Yes,
we do
hundred
the
percent.
practice, then yeah,
If you
that
will
will
not do the practice, you will not able to write even 2 lines of code also.
right,
What
sir.
about you, Venkat? Last day class, because I will not, when you will meet with you, I don't know again. So when you want to join the class, already you are there in the group, and will not charge again. So once you have paid, means you can go and you can continue the class anytime. So from
Okay.
your side, any feedback is
Yeah,
required, sir, you have to change in this point.
I'm happy, Rajesh, for joining your class. And what I thought earlier before joining the class, I thought only we can do a limited number of tasks using PowerShell in SQL Server. After, I mean, by this day, I understood like, okay, we can do all the administrative tasks from PowerShell itself. Like, as we see today, we can even create jobs, schedule them, we can schedule all the individual check reports and all. I thought
Yes,
LT level we can do. This is what I thought.
yes.
Hmm.
But what was your
But
expectation? It is more than that you have learned, right?
yeah. That in, I mean, so the day first itself, we did how to install a software using PowerShell.
Yes. And again, I will tell you, I have not explained just I have explained 10% of the PowerShell. I'm telling you now. There is
Yeah.
many more thing is there, which one you have to try, right? You have to learn. Driver will
Oh,
only teach you how to drive the car, but your hands-on experience will come once you will driving every day, right?
yes,
So this
absolutely.
is the same thing only. There are many things you have to learn, and many things I have to learn from you. Some of the time see here, many script people is giving, like some of the script, I think you have also given, Sandeep is also sent me some script. So like that people has sent. So nowadays I am teaching you some of the script which a student has written and they have sent. After my class they are starting teaching me, why are you doing sir like this, you can do it this way. So for you also, whenever you want, you can join the class anytime without asking, without paying any single money for the PowerShell. So one time you have paid, means your full lifetime, your video will be available into the YouTube and you will be able to join. Thank you so much, guys. You have given the good feedback. If you want anything to change, please you can ping me also, sir. You do. Many people is saying only one thing I am getting from, sir, you are going very fast. If I will not go very fast, I will not able to complete the course, right?
I do agree with that, but only one small suggestion, but that would make them, I mean, what to say, familiar with the code. See, I mean, when open any one code, sir, any one code, PowerShell code.
Yeah.
Don't, I mean, no need to explain everything. Just select this line. This line is for selecting an instance. This for loop. I mean, just overview like that. That's it. No need to explain everything. If you explain like two,
Okay.
3 times, they will habituate.
Okay. So you want like last line always to explain, right?
Not always line, sir. I mean, since you go first onwards, go to first, go to line 1. I hope just from line 2 to line 11, this is header and footer. I hope. So we
Okay.
already explained it
Okay.
earlier.
So
Only for header and footer. And this line
okay.
is this input module. We are inputting this module. That's it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
by I mean, what to say? I mean, it's
Okay.
like we're reading every time, and it
Sure.
won't.
Mhm. Your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear properly. That's why.
Is it okay, sir? Now is it
Now,
okay?
now it is okay.
Okay, okay. I mean, just from 1 to 7. This is what to say. We're just adding styles to a table that we are going to prepare.
Okay.
Here we are including one module. So by, I mean, if you tell like that, na sir, okay, I understand. Oh, this is importing a module.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So next time, what I will do, next batch, whatever I will teach, I will go with the part wise. Okay. This is the one part here. HTML work is happened. This is the import model. This is the PowerShell. It's going to code. This one is
Like that, maybe every day not
okay.
required, sir. Day after day or 2 days once. Nah?
Okay.
Okay.
No, no, but why I was always I'm explaining, no, because I'm thinking like you will remember, not remember. Like here, you two only has joined, right? Some of the time
Yeah.
somebody will join, somebody will not join. Again, they will ask. So that's why I was going with the little bit more detail. Even today, if the first day class, like Ashwin has started, right? So he will not understood 100%. Even if 10% also, he will not understood that code. So that's why many people is coming, joining. Okay, it is whatever you have given the suggestion is a good suggestion for me. Thank you so much, guys. And you both has completed from beginning to end class. That is make me the happy. Please go through it. And last class, please attend day 15 class. You do the revision of that all code from beginning to end. Join the class. Even tomorrow again the class will start from beginning. So if you want to revise, you join it again. This time you will understood not double. It is a 4 times faster. Now you are aware of everything. So
Yeah.
join it and do the practice. Once the practice will done, then I will teach you the day 15 class, because day 15 class is more oriented on the sanity check. Means still now whatever thing we have explained, putting into the in one file. So this time code will become not one line, it has become the 100 line of code. So I can't explain it to 100 line, right? So
Yeah.
this just I will show you. See here, this work it is doing, this work this is good, this work here I am doing. So this thing you have to put in your mind, you have to implement by yourself. Thank you so much. Aswan, how was class? It is okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay for me.
So you are going to join tomorrow class?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so we will see at least 2 to 3% has to be there in my class. Then only I will continue. Otherwise, I will not continue. So let's see like tomorrow how many people is join. Some of the time 10 people will join. Some of the time I will getting 2, 3. This time I got just 3%. Venkat, Sandeep, and one more person. That also person not join. So okay, guys. Then thank you so much. I'm stopping the class. So please join tomorrow class. It will start from beginning. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Happy
Bye.
weekend.
Happy weekend. Bye.